Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,524.25. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged higher 0.04%, while Germany's DAX also moved up by 0.1%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,508.07, and the S&P 500 also finished weaker at 7,443.28 as investors monitored renewed security concerns in the Middle East. In company news, pub operator Marston's said stronger World Cup trading has supported performance as it targets faster growth. Home improvement retailer Wickes reported second quarter sales growth and maintained its full-year expectations, signalling resilient trading. Against sterling, the US dollar and Swiss franc were little changed. The euro was steady, while the Japanese yen and Australian dollar edged higher. Bitcoin rose. In commodities, copper strengthened, gold slipped, Brent crude eased despite ongoing Middle East tensions, and natural gas moved slightly higher. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.